good massage. Just travelled an hour to the east side of Nusa Penida, coming to Atuh Beach and Diamond Beach. I'll put it in the description on the video what it's called actually. Right. Just on the top of the stairs of Diamond Beach, long way down. After this we're going to 1,000 Islands, and then the treehouse I'm going to after, where loads of Instagrammers take their pictures. Atuh Beach. This part here is supposed to be the 1,000 Islands. There's not many islands. That's what it's called. London. Still walking down these dodgy steps to the tree house. I don't think I can make it to the tree house. The stairs are too dodgy for my legs. But anyway, got a nice view up here. I don't know if you'll be able to see the tree house. I'll turn it around. It's only for photographs anyway. You have to queue up, pay 75k, and you get like 2 minutes there. But anyway, and it is blimmin' hot, and it's only early in the morning. Let me turn the camera around. The tree house is around here. It's just to take photographs really. We'll have a tourist trap. Do have a look at this view. Just having a little rest now at the Thousand Islands. Walk down the stairs to get halfway to that tree house, but it's too far down and the stairs ain't very good. So I'm going to end the video here now. So I've been to Diamond Beach, Atuh Beach or something like that. I'll put it in the video. Now Thousand Islands. And nearly got to the tree house. There's a big queue coming up. Queue there for people having pictures taken. So I think we'll be heading back to the hotel now and jump in that swimming pool. Although I'm absolutely boiling. Thanks for watching.